Hey guys, it's Charlie Flood, my scooter check. From the top we got rad crowbars, ODI long necks black, Banff metal bar ends, cut down old MGP triple clamp, nitro, the nice blunt headsets, hella nice, always smooth, never click. MGP nitro, old 2011 edition. It's about a year old, so it's pretty good for me. I haven't snapped it, but it's cracked. Lucky Northwest fork, white, with a proto slider in the front and a black tilt park peg. Then here's the Phoenix switchblade flex fender brake with another tilt peg, not black, but yeah. And then a Phoenix 3-spoke wheel, red, not very dialed though. And I can't tell from that, but yeah, it's my scooter check. Cool.
Liam, stop!